When the upward buoyant force that is exerted on a body immersed in a fluid, whether fully or partially submerged, is equal to the weight of the fluid that the body displaces and acts in the upward direction at the center of mass of the displaced fluid. Any object wholly or partially immersed in a stationary fluid is yawned up by a force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. And it's called the Archimedes Law. There are three principles of Archimedes' law. The first one is sinking, the second one is barely floating, and the third one is floating. For furthermore, we're going to explain by this experiment.
Pour the water into a cup. Next, pour 1 tablespoon of salt, and then stir and mix it until it dissolves. Put the egg into the water. As we can see, the egg will sink to the bottom of the cup. This proves that egg has higher density than water. This is called as sinking.
For the next one, pour 1 cup of water and pour 2 tablespoons of salt. Now stir and mix it well. Put the egg into the water. From here we can see that the eggs will float in the middle of the cup. As we add more salt, which make the density of the fluid is equal to the density of the object. And it's called barely floating or submerging. Just like the first and the second experiment, first you need to prepare 1 plastic cup and fill it with water, but don't make it too full. And add 3 tablespoons of salt. Stir it until it well mixed. Put the egg into the plastic cup. And now you may observe that the egg is floating. So, in conclusion, when you adding more salt to the water, it will increase the density. So when the density of water is greater than the egg will floating. From this experiment, we can conclude that sinking is when the density of the object is higher than the density of the fluid, and barely floating is when the density of the object is equal to the density of the fluid, while floating is when the density of the fluid is bigger than the density of the object. We hope you understand and see you on our next video.